Good morning, everybody. I wanted to share this with you. This is our class schedule. This is our timeline for how things are going to run. I know Miss Rebecca is going to be doing different things with those of you that are St. Thomas scholars, but this is how my classroom is going to run. So it's very important that you quickly work through the safety exam and the getting started panel and get that over with and finished so that we can move on. As you can see, we're starting off with the medical terminology. That'll be chapters 7 and 8 of your textbook. We have a 2-week timeline to get those 2 chapters finished. Okay. Then we're moving on to cardiology, radiology. That's chapters 46 and 47. Again, we have a 2-week timeline on those. Medical office manager. This is going to encompass, as you can see, several chapters here. Chapters 3 through 6 and chapters 22 through 33. Again, we have a 4-week timeline on that. Then we're moving on to the anatomy and physiology. That'll be chapters 9 through 21, 4-week timeline. Clinical procedures, we have chapters 50 through 57, 6 weeks. Laboratory procedures 1, chapters 34 through 41, that's 6 weeks. And then laboratory procedures 2, it's chapters 42 through 45, and then 48 through 49. We're going to spend 6 weeks on that. That's a total of 30 weeks, and that gives us 1 week to review before our exam. Now, this is all subject to change. They're kind of up in the air as to when we are going to take the exam. I've heard that they're possibly going to push it into March. If that is so, we're going to have to cut some time out of this at some point. So as you can tell, we're going to be moving really quickly in this class. There's going to be lots of independent study that's going to need to take place. For those of you that I had last year, you're a little bit more of an advantage because these 2 chapters right here, you've done 90% of it already. It'll just be review. So for those of you that didn't have last year, we're going to have to work to get you caught up, especially in this area. But yeah, that's what I wanted. I wanted to make sure that you know the timeline, and this is what we have looking forward to. So as soon as you finish with the safety exam and the getting started, you need to get started on the medical terminology content area.